Hi, I'm Matt Rayne. This is my wife Dora. We're here in beautiful Ireland visiting the Prince August Toy Factory. It's been such a beautiful day and a tour. We got to see the Battle of Waterloo and also got all kinds of great information from our chess sets and how to cast and paint, and we've just been having an amazing day.
We're here from Fredericksburg, Texas. We love the molds that we buy from Prince August. We cast chessboards. Our inspiration is always to create things that do justice to the pieces that we create.
So we do a lot of themed chessboards, and we have been able to create a themed chessboard for the Spanish Armada and Queen Elizabeth I, and for the Civil War and the Alamo. Dora built an actual replica of the Alamo to put the chess pieces on, and then we paint them and sell them at our trade days. You got two more?
I don't think so.
We just absolutely love Ireland. It's been such an amazing trip, and the people here at Prince August have treated us so well. It's just a very beautiful time in our lives and a chance to come up here and see everybody, so we really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.